Hi there, you guys, and welcome. Congratulations on taking the essential oil plunge. You have purchased your starter kit, and that is why I am here talking to you today. So either you have received it already or it's on its way. It's gonna show up on your doorstep, and you're gonna open it up and you're gonna be so excited. And if you're anything like me, you're gonna look at your oils and go, oh my gosh, how do I use these? So thanks so much for being here, you guys. I'm so excited to have you join us on this essential oil journey and support you and your families in this health and wellness journey with oils. Before we get started, I am going to introduce myself. My name is Missy, and I am a stay-at-home mom and blogger over at thehomemadelife.com, a lover of health and wellness and essential oils specifically. I fell in love with these oils and can't help but share, so here I am sharing with you guys. So we're going to cover just a few details in this video today, and then I will post a link of Essential Oils 101 class, an introductory class for beginners that will actually go over each oil in your starter kit to help you along your journey with very specific uses and benefits, okay? But first things first, you're going to get your starter kit in the mail, and it's going to be in this beautiful box, and inside you are going to have all of your amazing oils, and it's going to look like this, and there should be 11 oils total. Now, all the goodies are under here, so if you lift this up and then you lift up that white piece as well, you'll find more little treasures and goodies under there, okay? So be sure to do that. You will also be getting, I just want to cover what's in your starter kit. You'll be getting some Ningxia Red, which we will talk about later. You will be getting some samples that you can hand out to friends or throw in your purse. And you'll also be getting some of these cute little glass bottles. These are great to throw in your purse, or maybe let some friends try some oils by giving them just a few drops, okay? But let's see here. So let's talk about the diffuser, okay? This is the Dewdrop diffuser. And let's talk about how to use this, okay? It's very simple. There is a manual that you can check out. You're gonna take the outer lid off, the inner lid off, and the most important thing about the diffuser is to not, you wanna fill it up just below this red dot. So you don't wanna fill it up past this red dot, because what will happen is you'll ruin your diffuser. So I use distilled water, and I just fill it up just below that red dot, and then you can add anywhere from 6 to 12 drops of a desired essential oil, Then you're going to put the top lid on, the outer lid on, and you're gonna push this button, and a blue light's gonna turn on, and it's gonna be diffusing and make your house smell amazing and without any toxins. So amazing. Okay, so a lot of people will ask, well, how many drops do I put in my diffuser? I would say start with about 6. I personally put about 12 in each time. I'm currently diffusing 4 drops of rosemary, 4 drops of peppermint, and 4 drops of cinnamon bark, and it's amazing. I love the smell of it. Okay. So we know how to use our diffuser. Also, put this somewhere where you're not going to bump it, your kids aren't going to bump it, or a dog, okay? Because they'll last you a long time, but if they get bumped and the water gets into the actual diffusing system, it will break, okay? So make sure you put it somewhere where it's not going to be easily bumped. That is a good thing to know. So there's 4 ways to use essential oils, okay? And we're gonna cover a lot of this in the Essential Oils 101 class that will be just below this video, okay? But there's several ways. You can use them internally, externally, which is topically, and aromatically. Now, when I talk about using essential oils internally, I'm speaking specifically of Young Living essential oils, because I know that they are not adulterated and there's no synthetics put in them. So if you're going to use essential oils internally, just use ours. Don't be using any oils over the counter or in the stores, okay? Because many of those are adulterated with synthetics. Wanted to get that out of the way. Okay. What else? Okay, some tips and tricks. So when applying them topically, you can use them neat, which means they are not diluted down, okay? Stress Away is a great oil that you can use neat, meaning you do not need to dilute it down with the carrier oil, okay? You can just put it on your wrist, the back of your neck. Your feet's a great place because there's over 2,000 pores on your feet, so it absorbs very quickly into the bloodstream. Carrier oils would be olive oil from my kitchen, You could do coconut oil, jojoba oil, any kind of fat-soluble oil to dilute the oils down. Now each oil is going to have a little tab here that's going to help you find out how to use it, the directions, okay? So this oil does not need to be diluted down. However, Thieves in your kit, it is diluted down. It's a 1-to-4 ratio. And when I got started, I actually got my little dropper. These are great to have if you want to be very precise. And I would drop 3 drops of the carrier oil to 1 drop of the oil. Now that I'm a more seasoned oil, I don't ever measure. I just estimate. Another great way to use your oils are these little handy dandy glass roller balls, and you can actually just use your fractions. So you can do 1/4 of Thieves and then 3/4 of the carrier oil, and it's ready to go. You can throw it in your purse, in your bag, and keep your immune system going and your kiddos. So just a few little tips and tricks. Those are some of the main things I wanted to cover. This is just truly a short little video to say hi and welcome, and we're so glad to have you. Bust out a pen and paper when you take the class below, because that's about a 25-minute class, and it'll be packed full of information for you guys, okay, on how to use the oils and how to use each oil. I think that's it, guys. I think we've done it. We've covered everything. Awesome. Okay. Welcome. So happy to have you guys. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. We're beyond thrilled to have you on this journey. The class below will bless your socks off and definitely show you how to use your essential oils. I also want to invite you into our Facebook community, Oily Feathers. So I will leave a link below. You can connect with me on Facebook either through the Homemade Life page or Melissa Mancia, which is my name. And you want to be a part of that community because it's phenomenal to ask questions, to learn about your oils, and it's just a really awesome, fun support group. So we would love to have you there. So don't forget to do that. And lastly, I will just post some more information below. I will be posting an 11-day how to use your oils challenge to help you kind of get jump started in knowing how to use your oils, which is super fun. And I'll also be sending some more videos your way about Young Living, some of the products that I love, and just to help you get started on your oily journey. So be looking in your inbox for more videos from me, because we want to equip you to know how to use your oils and empower you in your health and wellness and how to support your bodies in a more natural way and kind of get rid of the chemicals in your home and support them with all natural goodness. So thanks again for being here. So excited to see you in the next video. Be sure to take the class below because that's going to teach you how to use your oils, and we will talk soon. Okay, oilers, welcome and thank you for being here.